you are in the Caribbean and you hear about trading, you hear about forex trading, you hear about VIX trading, you hear about stocks trading, whatever. You're in the Caribbean and you want to jump on board and start your trading journey. Here are 5 things you need, right? You really need, right, to kickstart your trading journey, right? These 5 things are gonna help you. Basically, these 5 things are the basic you really need to start, right? You can start it and go from there, isn't it? Right? So for these tips, watch this video until the end, isn't it? Right? And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, leave notification. You know the vibes already. When you must hear this every day when you watch YouTube. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You must hear it every day. And you still not like, you still not comment, and you still not share. Nobody. Yeah, you don't have to share. Just like and comment. And subscribe. Yeah, you have to subscribe. Like, comment. So those 3 things you have to. Like, comment, subscribe. You don't have to share. I mean, you can share, no? You can share. But anyways, let's get back into the video, right? Yeah. Alright, so the first thing you need is you need a broker account. You see me answer, right? And we can definitely put you on a real and a trustworthy, the best, the number 1 broker in the Caribbean right now. And it is called deriv. You see me? Deriv is a trusted broker, 24-hour money reaching your bank account, swift, fast. Them spread so low you want to cry. Like, I remember the first time I started trading deriv, right? And I realized it spread so low. I wonder if a broker account is it's too good to be true. You see me, right? So I'm gonna leave the link below in my description, right? So you can click on it and set up on a deriv account, because honestly, it can trade crypto. The broker account can trade crypto, forex, VIX trading, everything you need. You see me, I say stocks, everything, right? So that's the first thing you need. You need a broker account, right? So click the link below, sign up a demo account, create a demo account, then switch over to your real. If you have any questions as relates to the sign up process and so forth and what to do after thing, link me on Instagram, text me on Instagram, or you can leave a comment below, right? If you're not having a problem in sign up and so forth, because you don't have a problem, because you know it's a new broker and thing, so you're not really understand certain things, right? So comment below or text me on Instagram and we can assist you guys, isn't it, right? The next thing you need is you need a platform to mark up a chart and trade on and so forth, right? No phone no tradingview.com, right? But on the platform that we use, right? We use tradingview.binary.com because we trade the index space, isn't it? I would advise, if you want to trade forex as well, you still can use the tradingview.binary.com as well, right? But if you want to trade forex alone, you can use tradingview.com instead of the tradingview binary. You see me, I say, right? Yes, the tradingviewbinary.com also fall because it's a new thing come out. You know, you have bugs in it, they go slow, yes, and there. But we can do better. We have to use it. You see me, I say, right? So that's the next thing. You need a platform for mark up a chart and understand how we take buy, take sells, uptrend, downtrend, sideways market. You need that. You see me, right? So the link I got in the description below. Every link, everything we may say, I got it in the description below. So that's the second thing. You need a platform to mark up a chart and know which direction the market is going. Alright, so the next thing you're gonna need, obviously you're gonna need capital, right? You're gonna need like money to trade. You see me, I say, right? With deriv now, you can trade with less than 5 USD. I think it's 5 USD. If not 5 USD, about 10 USD. You see me, right? You see me, I say, right? That's the least I can deposit and do it, right? So if you want to start trading with 5 USD, you can. And you can grow that 5 USD to 1,000, 100, $200, right? It is possible because enough people grow $5 to $1,000, 700, 200, $2,000, right? If you are one of those persons, comment below how much you grow your account. What's the smallest you ever grow your account from, right? I will say what I want, isn't it, right? So yeah, you're gonna need capital, you need money, that's me I say, right? You need money to start with the trading, you know, because without money you can't trade unless you them are right through and think. But I don't advise, I won't advise about if them are right through, right? Because some point, some way you want to start the real thing, isn't it? Right? Next thing you're gonna need is either you're gonna need a phone or a laptop, a smartphone to be a smartphone, right? You're gonna need a smartphone or a laptop. You can use any laptop, MacBook, PC, you can use a phone, tablet. You're gonna need them because I just say you go mark up a chart because look on my own. Let me show you guys. This is my Tradingview binary.com. Right, I use my chart and so forth. Right, so you're gonna need that. Yeah, you're gonna need a device, smart device, laptop, phone, anything anything that can access the internet and so forth. Right, you're gonna really need that. You're gonna need that. Right, so it's a must. You see me? It's a must. Even if you watch me YouTube channel right now, maybe you have a phone or a laptop. You see me? You're gonna need that. You see me, right? But you don't have to have a laptop still. Cause you have some people that say, yo, alright, you have a phone but me on a laptop, you still can't trade as well. Still can't trade. And you have to know one. You see me? So you're gonna need that. The next thing you're gonna need is obviously you're gonna need internet connection. Right? Because without internet connection, you can't access nothing at all. You can't access this chart, you can't access your Tradingview binary, you can't access your the deriv account, you can't access nothing. Honestly, the internet control your life right now, right? Because without the internet, you come like you're a lost soul. You see me I say, what the fuck? Lord muffler boy. I'm like, man, easy, you know? Yeah, so again, you're gonna need internet. Everybody need internet. Internet basically control all of your life. Without the internet, you come like a lost and despair. You ever go one day without internet? Oh man, you come like you go mad, right? And me know say it's not healthy or it's not something where you need to depend on. But honestly, without the internet, how you get your updates, news updates, this updates. Yes, you watch TV, but it's been years we don't watch TV. You watch TV, Uni? No. Yeah, a years we don't watch TV. You see me, right? So you're gonna need internet. You need a proper internet. You not have a proper, but you're gonna definitely need an internet connection. You see me, right? Because I just you got access your chart, everything you access. You see me, right? So those are the 5 things you really need to start off your trading journey. Basic things you're gonna need, 5 things, and a bonus is you're gonna need someone to teach you, right? Yes, me know say you can do it by yourself and so forth, but doing it by yourself will cost you a lot. You will lose a lot of money. The process is going to take long. If you make a good source of income off of trading, it will take a long time. But if you get someone to teach and show you and tell you, say, alright, and this is to buy, this is to sell, you're gonna need that. You see me, I say, I try telling myself that I'm gonna do it by myself and I don't need nobody to do it. And honestly, that time I lost up about 300k. Yeah. That's about 300k. Feel like saying I can do it by myself. But I'm not saying you can't do it by yourself now. Yes, you can do it. You see me answer, right? But just prepare for a lot of losses. Just prepare for the process to take long and so forth, right? So again, guys, that's the 5 things. Basically, the 6 things you need to kickstart the trading journey. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. do whatever. You see me? I remember I might give away $30,000, or you might get a chance to come in my Discord group, right, for a lifetime for free. You see me, right? You'll be added to my Discord group with 200 and odd members and support. You see me? So big up on yourself, and we soon know next time again. I'm out. Can't find chat again.